FiiL T1 wireless earbuds has a streamlined design, weight balance to stay in ears comfortably and securely. 6D stereo sound offer a superb music experience. Lossless HD rendering technology produce incredible sound quality with crystal crisp treble. It has the latest stability and fast auto pairing with Bluetooth 5.0. Just take out the earbuds and they automatically connect within 100 feet. Thanks to the water protection, the Bluetooth earbuds are resistant to sweat, water, and rain. Perfect for outdoor sports, hiking, jogging, cycling, yoga, gym, traveling. FiiL, your music choice.
Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We got another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below. Get one of these at a low cost and take advantage of fast and free shipping. You'll get one of these in no time. Hopefully everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe and everybody had a good weekend. So we'll make it through it, guys. Just hold on. Things will be alright. Don't worry about it. We got something inside here. You guys can check them out. And of course, the link will be down below. And see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. And let's see what's inside first. You never know, you might need one of these. Oh yeah, you do. Zone out everything and just relax during your workouts. Art of Audio T1X Bluetooth True Wireless In-Ear Headphone. Bada boom. Quick link, fast charge. I think this is coming from FiiL. FiiL. Up to 24 hours. You could definitely get some workout in these. So we're going to cut around the middle. Nice packaging though. Alright. There we go. Drop you guys down. There we go. That looks a lot better. So FiiL T1X. Sounds like a Terminator robot. How do I open you up? I gotta get my iPhone. Pull. Oof. Ooh. It's nice. FiiL Art of Audio. Alright. Pull this out. We got the manual in here. Oh, look at this. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Everything falls out. Alright. And it's alright. We'll fix it up a little bit. Maybe not. You get a lot of goodies. You got a lot of the replacement earbuds. Get these hooks. Nice setup though. And we got these mini ones. And we got some more. 1, 2. So they hook you up with some replacement buds, so that's really nice of them. There we go. 3. So you get 2 sets plus a big one. And these guys. There you go. Where's the ringer? Where is it? Oh, USB right there. Hopefully it's charged enough to get it to go. Oh, pop it out. There we go. Come on. There we go. Put this back in here. this part. Here we go. That's a nice looking case. FiiL. Ooh. Here we go. Let's pop it in. It's charging. Look at that. There's a USB slot right there. So let's see if these are waterproof and all the good specs. Let's see what they got. What did they got? What did they got? Bluetooth pairing. We could do that. That's easy. Purple light. Reset sync. Yeah, it's gonna be hard to tell you guys that how these sound, but hopefully you guys could trust me enough to know that these sound good or not. So I'm just looking up some small information. Okay, well, let's look it up. There we go. We don't need this. So you get the manual, get this, and then you get the little extras right there, and then the case. And you pop this open. Here we go. FiiL. That's a good sign right there. Just gotta hook it up to the phone. And then, oh, it tells left side. They feel comfortable. And right side. Alright, I'm gonna turn the volume up. See how these sound. It all depends on what kind of music you listen to, like hip hop, metal. This sounds really good bass, clear as could be. I mean, it really sounds great. Let's see. Let me switch it up. There you go. Oh yeah, these are nice, guys. I'm liking these. These will be my new go-to earbuds. So, true wireless in-ear headphones. Get them now, coming from FiiL. Link is going to be down below. You guys be safe. Have a good night and see you soon.